Sorry, the answer is no. You definitely still need to conduct maintenance. The lucky thing is, this one is as simple as calling your local hot water heater company to come check it out. This is one we don't recommend tackling on your own, especially as you are very likely to be voiding your warranty just by opening it up. We recommend getting a checkup for your tankless hot water heater at least once a year. These are much more complex than a tank hot water heater, and it's important to make sure that everything is operating as it should and no leaks are forming. This will extend the life of your tankless hot water heater virtually 50 plus years. Thank you for watching. And make sure to catch our next episode where we discuss all things related to keeping that deck of yours in tip-top shape for all your summer activities, while also keeping it protected for worse weather. We'll see you soon.